Hey, 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 here we are, another wedding album Wednesday. As you can see, it is of me. And this is my best friend in the background there, Miss Johanna. I'm kidding, Johanna is her name, Johanna. She did my hair. She is a hairstylist, and she's good at it. And you can see good vibes about today, a bunch of little stickers there on the side. And I do a bunch of layers on this one, and I picked this main paper here, paper. This one here is glimmery, or the one I always notice my voiceover just a few seconds behind, so that white there is shimmery. I do trim it down because at this point I'm thinking I'm going to do some layers, and I'm gonna go hog wild with it. And in doing that, I felt like I needed to trim my photo down just a tad, so it wasn't too overwhelming, because I did want everything to stay inside of the border. As you can see, the pink polka dot border, dark pink polka dot, excuse me. I do struggle with lining this picture up. We're gonna be here for a few seconds. And it's still crooked. I do not, I just don't have a knack for that. I can't put things down straight. It's almost like my superpower. That's how bad it is. Or good. I don't know. I did bring in this turquoise, however you want to say it. And it's got little, I have no idea what those flower thingies are called, but I just thought it was cute to incorporate the extra color that I've decided to incorporate. And this layout's a little, it's not as bold in color, just that border there, and then this this paper here that I used it on the other page too, that white with the dark pink on it. I did feel like there needed to be some sort of definition, border type definition. And I'm looking at this black sheet of paper because it doesn't feel like paper. It almost feels like vinyl. That's why I was looking at the back of it, and I don't know if it is or not, so I just wing it. The edges had started curling up on it though, so I struggle yet again to do something straight. And I did speed this video up a tad. I think altogether I took, and this is aside from picking my paper out, I always do that separate because I will literally be there for days. 15 minutes, I want to say. 15, 16. I'm just one of those people who it needs to get done once it's started. And I know a lot of scrapbookers are not that way. And I'm not judging by no means. I have projects that are not completed, that are taking me 18 years to do, even though I've only been scrapbooking for, what, 7 or 8. Just certain things, like my vacation album, and I got tired of doing it. So I know that I feel like once I get tired of doing something, I should probably just put it on hold. But then my personality kicks in and it's like, no, must do it all now. So I've got conflicting, too many people in my head, I guess. I did bring in this little mirrored sheet with the little scallop border. I thought that turned out pretty good there. And it is mirrored, or mirrored. I don't know if I'm sounding really country when I say that, but because I am from South Georgia. But I also find that I put a whole lot of extra adhesive on this, side note, because I didn't want it to, I got a little scared, like it was really heavy, it was a bunch of layers, so I put a little extra adhesive. And no, I don't run out of adhesive on this video. I think it's my traveler's notebook when I do. But I I know I was on a story somewhere. I'm sorry. I've forgotten which one I was talking about. So I was really set on using this huge piece though. Choose happy. And I probably should have popped up the left corner on that because of all the layers. It's kind of sunk in, but I was thinking, you know, it's going to be behind a, it's not like a traveler's notebook. It's going to be behind a page protector. So I just went with it. Hoping for the best, I guess. I did use this mirror down here. In the mirror, you can't see it on the TV, on the screen, but it does have this, oh, you could see it right there when my arm covers it. It does have like an image of a dress in it, and I thought that was kind of cute. So I'll go ahead and sprinkle a few. I didn't wear makeup. I don't wear makeup. I'm too lazy for makeup, just being completely honest with you. That is a piece of my life I don't feel like I want to spend on makeup. Or like in the morning time, I'm not going to get up and do makeup. I'm not going to do it. So I think people who do makeup are like artists though, because I've got Johanna's sister, actually, Faith. She does some amazing work with just her makeup. She's done my daughter's makeup before, which I was not a fan of at first, but then I realized, you know, she's trying to step out into her art things, and I was like, well, you know, I don't really mind if you do Anjane's makeup for that specific reason, but I don't want my daughter going around thinking at, you know, 14 she needed to be wearing makeup, even though I know a lot of people, oh, that sticker says the dress, by the way. I know a lot of people who don't mind. I got one of my best friends, Shauna, her little girl's been wearing makeup for years, as far as I can remember. But, you know, it's, so I saw on Facebook the other day, it's, you know, it's my kid, so I get to decide. So, and I know it all stems off of me not wearing makeup. My mama wore makeup. It just was not for me. I'm not that person, so I'm too lazy. I do obviously start sprinkling. Oh, and that Good Vibes something today only or something today sticker. It's a chipboard, and that's from the Freckled Fawn pack that I won back from Miss Tori. I'm bringing a few. Yee! I put that one down, but then I was like, no, no, no. And I want to fit it right there, and it was almost like I had to tuck it up under that little lipstick thing. But yeah, I just sprinkly inkle, and I don't think I do. I don't know if I don't bring any sequins in. I didn't, you know, I got to go to Spiegel Mom Scraps and get some pink sequins, because I have like blue and tans are the most sequin colors I have. I do have white though, now that I think about it. It's like an iridescent white. And for these pink swirly glitter pieces, I went with smaller ones, because on the page that's going to be facing this, there are some pretty ginormous ones. So I went with just, you know, just to incorporate some of the pieces from the previous page. I've got to, I feel like, pay more attention to that in my album. I think I should just pay more attention to it in general, but I tried that little floral piece from that pack over there, but I didn't. I was wanting to incorporate the turquoise a little bit more, but I don't. That little piece of paper is all you get on this one, my friends. And I finally figured out, when I have like sticker packs, I'm going to put a little dot over it, so so that I can know which ones I was going to do, because I don't like taking them all out, because I don't always get to the layout right away. But I do like to kind of get it together, so to speak. But then I sprinkly inkle some of these stars, which, now that I'm thinking about it, I might need to go back and put one or two on the other layout. Just, I don't know, because I don't want them to be matchy-matchy. I want them to be their own individual layouts. Nothing, you know, like too matchy. So a few rhinestones down, and then we're done. I'll bring you down so you can see it. And that's it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you are having a great day. You know what tomorrow is. Don't forget. Always get a little crafty time in. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh, and don't forget, check me out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, blogspot.com, all those fancy, fancy places. Oh, I have my own Facebook page. It's New Creation Studio. Yeah, check me out. Bye.